Today we're checking out the brand new first of its kind water coaster, The Edge, at Soaky Mountain Water Park in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're going to tell you all about it. Soaky Mountain Water Park just opened their brand new water coaster, The Edge. This first of its kind water coaster is perched on a 70-foot tower and spans 2 football fields in length. When the ride begins, riders in double tubes are quickly propelled down a 3-story mega drop that leads to the first valley of the ride. This unique ride blasts you back uphill into an enclosed, colorful tunnel, followed by another heart-pounding 2-story drop. The second blast takes riders into another enclosed tunnel, which features aqualescent stripes. When the riders shoot out of this area, they find themselves facing 2 boomerango walls while feeling extreme G's. Momentum then takes them up these walls, which feature clear edges at the very top, giving riders a sensation of going over the edge into a nearby mountain summit. As a final thrill, you feel a sense of weightlessness before sliding back down and facing a 0G hump at the end of the ride. And at the finish line, you can check out your time and see who the winner is. To check out this new ride, riders must be 42 inches tall with a companion of 48 inches tall. Other additions for Soaky Mountain Water Park this year include additional seating areas, more shaded areas, a new Philly-up cheesesteak truck, and more cabanas. Soaky Mountain is located in beautiful Sevierville, Tennessee. For all the latest news and updates, make sure you follow us at thesmokies.com.